Welcome to Suzuki Shift, your trusted channel for the latest updates and reviews from the world of bikes and cars. Today, we're diving into a name that has ruled Indian streets for decades, the Suzuki Maruti Omni van. And now, it's back in an all-new avatar for 2025. Let's explore what makes the new Omni a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern innovation. The Maruti Omni first hit Indian roads back in the 1980s and soon became the go-to family and business van. Known for its simple design, spacious cabin, and reliability, it was used for everything from family trips to commercial deliveries. Over the years, the Omni became an icon of practicality. And now, after years of silence, Suzuki has revived this legend with a completely new design and technology package for 2025. The 2025 Suzuki Maruti Omni van brings back its recognizable boxy silhouette but with smoother lines and a futuristic touch. The new model features sleek LED headlights, a bold chrome grille, and modern alloy wheels that give it a premium yet familiar look. While the dimensions remain compact for easy city driving, the Omni now feels more confident and stylish than ever. Inside, the Omni 2025 surprises with a more car-like interior. It features a dual-tone dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and improved air conditioning. The van comfortably seats up to 7 passengers, with foldable rear seats for extra cargo space. Maruti has clearly aimed to make this Omni more family-friendly, with better materials and ergonomic seating for long drives. Under the hood, the 2025 Omni offers both petrol and CNG variants powered by a refined 1.0-liter K-Series engine. It's tuned for efficiency and smooth performance, delivering impressive mileage figures around 25 km per liter for petrol and 33 km per kilogram for CNG. There's also talk of a future electric variant, which could make the Omni a perfect city commuter for the modern era. The van continues to be rear-wheel drive, ensuring stability even when fully loaded. Safety, once a weak spot for the older Omni, has been given major attention. The new model includes dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and high-strength steel construction. It meets the latest Indian safety norms, making it far safer for both families and businesses. The infotainment system supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring you stay connected on every trip. The 2025 Maruti Omni van is expected to start around 5.5 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, for the base petrol variant and go up to 7 Indian rupees lakh for the top CNG model. This price range makes it one of the most affordable and versatile multipurpose vehicles in India. It targets small business owners, delivery operators, and families looking for a reliable, budget-friendly ride. The 2025 Suzuki Maruti Omni van is more than just a comeback, it's a reinvention of an icon. With its upgraded design, practical interiors, efficient engine, and modern safety features, the NE